video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export in Adobe Premiere Pro CC.
Step 1, drag the video that you like to export in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. The next step is to drag it or slap it on the timeline. The next step is to create an endpoint by clicking Ctrl+I on your keyboard, and then go to the end of the video clip and Ctrl+O, and then Ctrl+M to export the video. Now Adobe Premiere Pro CC will see and will view all of these settings right here, or the export settings. Under the format, preset, and output name, you can export the video, you can even export the audio, and then under here you have different options which has effects, video, audio, multiplier, captions, published, etc. But we're just going to focus on the video. Then you can scroll down and you can even match the source. You can even see your video settings, the frame rate, the height, the width, etc. You can also choose to render it. Maximum bitrate will make sure that your video is the best quality possible when we're uploading it, but we're going to have that unchecked. And under the encoding settings, you can change this form from software to hardware, but in this case we're unable to change it at the moment. And then you have your bitrate settings right here when you click down. This is way different in Adobe Premiere Pro because it will export your video. You can change the target bitrate or in megabits so that it's higher, which means you get better or higher quality when you upload it to the internet. And same thing with the maximum bitrate, but in this case we're going to leave it the same. And notice that when I do change the bitrate, the file or the video size increases or decreases. Now under advanced, we don't have too many things as well, but you can also click use maximum render quality, which also means that the video will export at the best possible quality possible. And under time interpretation, we want to leave it frame sampling. Okay, so to actually export the video, these are the best settings that I know and used on social media or content creation online. And this is just my personal preferences. So H.264, and then under the presets, we have high bit rate, medium bit rate, and then low bit rate. As you notice, low bit rate is also 50 megabytes of the file size. And if we scroll down under the video, we will also see that now the bitrate settings has changed to 1.1 for the target and then 1.4 for the maximum. And the bitrate encoding is a VBR1 pass. Now notice when I go back under preset and I change this to, let's say, high bitrate for the maximum quality, notice now that the estimated file size has changed. But also that when I scroll down here, you can see that the bitrate settings has also changed. The target is 10 and then the maximum is 12. And then under output name, you can click this and you can save it wherever it is that you want it to save it. And then you can click and you have an option right here to queue the video or to export it in and directly in Adobe Premiere Pro. Wait for this to load.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.